Hello and welcome to a new lesson forming present simple tense with the help of verb to work. In this lesson, we will talk about affirmative form of present simple tense, negative, interrogative, and interrogative plus question words. Let's see how we proceed. He works. Its negative form is he does not work. Interrogative, does he work? And with question words, why does he work? Likewise, we have she works, she does not work. Does she work? Where does she work? We continue. It works, it does not work. Does it work? How does it work? And with singular noun. Tom works, Tom does not work. Does Tom work? When does Tom work? I work, I do not work. Do I work? Why do I work? We work, we do not work. Do we work? Where do we work? We continue. They work, they do not work. Do they work? When do they work? Now we have the plural noun. Men work, men do not work. Do men work? How do men work? These are 34 structures of present simple tense. You can replace the word work with any other verbs of your choice, and you can make sentences as many as you like. Hope you appreciate my efforts and understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.